So, good morning, everyone. So, today is going to be an outing day. We're going to my mom's friend's house in Hayward, and we're going to return stuff in a store and maybe eat lunch and fly past. So stay tuned for that. So, good morning, everyone. So, today is going to be an outing day. We're going to my mom's friend's house in Hayward, and we're going to return stuff in a store and maybe eat lunch and fly past. So stay tuned for that. Are you ready, kids?
Of course. Are you?
Yes.
Wala na tayong wala.
How about you, Dad?
What?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
Are you ready, kids?
Of course. Are you?
Yes.
Wala na tayong wala.
How about you, Dad?
What?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
So,
Oh no.
we just left Starbucks and we're going to my mom's friend Peg's house. Stay tuned. So, we are now in Costco. So, we're looking for what?
Apple Watch.
What are we looking for, Ma? Huh? Earbuds. So my mom is buying
Ito, Ben.
earbuds.
AirPods 3.
This is the one.
Oh, after to start. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay.
Hindi ba sa'yo?
Well, hindi pa. Pero ano,
Yeah, this is what my mom wants. Look at all the Switch 2. So my mom is buying me Nintendo's Switch 2 for
$499.
Ah, $499.
$499 dito, $524.
Yeah. Eh, pag nag-ano ka,
for my birthday. Yeah.
Tingnan natin. Apple says.
What do you just tried, Ma? What did it?
Cheese.
Oh, cheese.
Cranberry cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. Waya.
So,
Hindi, meron pa ako dito.
So, where are we going now, Dad?
We're gonna look for meatballs.
Meatballs. We're going to look for meatballs.
Meatballs.
So, we are now.
Okay, yeah, will do.
We
Okay.
are now
Bye.
looking for meatballs right now. We're waiting for my mom. She's getting a earpods. So we are going home. We're taking the inside road, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're taking the inside road.
Okay ba ka dito?
So I just downloaded the Bright Line app. And it looks like this. So let's see. This is my dinner.
Are you full?
No. I'm showing them my food. Yeah. My mom made me a broccoli with mashed potatoes and chicken.
Wow, roasted.
Filming myself, Mom. So, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for new ones. Hey guys, it's me again. I just wanna tell you that my mom is a good patient, good nurse to me.